Hi, I'm Chris, and in this session we're going to have a look at the wonderful world of UV. So we cannot see UV light, but some animals can, and they can use it to find food or to detect predators in the dark, like this scorpion here. So this scorpion has got pigments in its skin that reflect UV light, and other animals can see it. So you can see the scorpion now not under UV light, and then you can see it glowing again there. So what's this glow is called? It's called fluorescence. So there are many things around the house that fluoresce. So for example, the spiced turmeric, if it's in a thin enough layer, you can see it glowing around the edge, and you can definitely see it on your fingertips the day after having a curry if you haven't washed your hands properly. So some sources of UV, aside for big strip lights, you can get these little UV torches that are about sort of £8 on Amazon or so. And you can also get these pens as well. So these pens are quite cheap. They have got a little UV torch there. They also have got an invisible ink pen with them that you can see when you shine UV on it. So security systems make use of this UV fluorescent property too. So these first and second class stamps look like they've got a red and a blue background respectively. But when you shine a UV light on them, you can see that there's a thin bright line on the second class and a thick darkish line on the first class. So this has two uses. First of all, for security, but also allows machines to easily tell the difference between first and second class stamps. So one quite good experiment you can do at home, if you have two small trays of the UV sensitive beads, is to try different materials to see how good they are at blocking out UV light. So here I've just got the takeaway menu, put that over one of the sets of beads, shine UV light onto them for the same amount of time, and then there you can see that the takeaway menu is good at blocking out UV light. So you can use this experiment to see how good your clothes are at blocking out UV light, and also there's a Royal Society of Chemistry experiment called Mission Starlight that looks at different materials for spacesuits and visors to see how good they are at blocking out UV, because clearly in space astronauts can't use sun cream, so they've got to rely on the materials in their spacesuits to block out the UV.